The line is crazy. We probably been up here for a good 15 minutes. And it's just a whole bunch of people and whatnot. Anyway, I like this makeup that I did. It's like really simple, but it just brings out my features and like I'm glowing and you know all of that. Anyway, this thing, this little tripod mount, this car mount, it's been in the car. I put it in the car like I don't know how long ago, and I completely forgot. But since I was just sitting there, I was just looking inside the car. I'm like, what's in here? I got shoes, I got jackets and stuff, and I'm like, what is sitting on the back seat for God knows how long, y'all. But you know, my mom, because she brought her car up here as well. And yeah, we supposed to go to like this jewelry store because she looking for something. She got a birthday party that she needs to go to. Well, not needs to go to, but she wants to go to for her coworker next weekend, and she's still trying to put her outfit together. So yeah, I'm probably not gonna. I was gonna do my homework last night for my online class, but the stuff don't open up until tomorrow, which I don't know. I missed 2 assignments, so that's 20 points already. So I have to stay on it. I gotta like make some notes, set some reminders in my phone or something, because I can't miss out on just points. Like I missed the $10.
We just stop listening all
this highlight. I'm still listening.
Yeah, it's such a damn. I don't know what.
Test tasting the Hershey's Gold caramelized cream peanuts and pretzels.
Peanuts
I don't like
pretzels. Pretzels.
Back. This got a weird feeling to it.
It's sanitized, baby. It's just probably been hot. Just use the shit. What's up?
Oh my God.
Oh,
I'm gonna go get some more of them.
Get your money back.
Oh my God.
How much is that? We finna go
That's
to ABC.
good.
I was trying to see if I could find a necklace. No, I'm trying to, whatever I wear is gonna be at home. I mean, I got a black shirt.